everyone, welcome to my vlog. I'm here already in our church. This is our church building, evangelical building. The opposite building is a British school, Al-Kubayrat. That building, you see that building? That's a British school, Al-Kubayrat. And the evangelical. This building is specialized for the church, any church. But the name of our church is Every Nation Church. See the name of our church, Evangelical Church there. See? And the opposite building is the British School, Al-Kubayrat. We are here already and this is our church. They renovate this. Minhol 1. We're here in Minhol 2. See? Papalipadan. Hello?
Hello. Teka lang.